Never considered manufacturing before, never thought about manufacturing. 18 months later now, I never thought that I'd be studying a level 5 operational management degree.
ESG is a global manufacturer of safety and emergency solutions for vehicles.
We manufacture a light bars for all the police cars around the world. I never knew anything like that was in Leeds.
There are 700 people working for us worldwide. 300 of those are here in Leeds.
I love the people I work with, I love the environment. There's constantly something to do.
It's never boring. Every day is a different task to do, different challenges.
Since joining the team, I've been made to feel very, very welcome.
People coming from different backgrounds, nationalities, everyone is welcome.
When a police car goes past with the sirens on, we made that and I contributed to that. I think that's something I'm proud of.
ESG is part of 1,800 manufacturers in Leeds.
It's fantastic to learn that there's a thriving manufacturing presence in Leeds.